Daily Warm-Up Reading 1. Nonfiction. American History. American Colonies. In 1620, people from England took a boat to America. They decided to live there. They made towns called colonies. People built homes out of logs from trees. They covered the roof with tree bark. These homes were small. They had a fireplace. They also had a pot for cooking. The towns were made up of houses. The men hunted for deer and turkey. The women made soap and candles. The children picked berries. It was hard to live here at first. People were cold and hungry. But they worked hard to make a good home. The end. Daily Warm-Up Reading 1. Number 2. Nonfiction. Science. Fossils. What is a fossil? A fossil is what is left from a very old animal or plant. The word fossil means dug up. Fossils can be bones. They can also be shapes of bones or plants left in a rock. People dig up rocks. They hope to find clues of our past. We learn about dinosaurs from fossils. These animals are gone, but they left their bones and shapes behind. An animal or plant dies. It is buried. Over the years, it breaks down. What is left behind is stone. This is called a fossil. We can learn a lot about fossils. We learn about our land. We learn about animals. Do you want a fossil? Go digging!